Hello everyone, Lisa here, and welcome to my first planner video. I thought I would start by showing you which planner I use. It is called the Happy Planner, and it comes in a 12-month version, January to December, or an 18-month version, July to December the following year, so a year and a half. You can also get it undated, so you could start whatever month you want, and you just have to date it yourself. It also comes in a few different sizes. So this is the classic size, which is your basic planner. Then you can get a mini, which is good for throwing in your purse or in a bag or traveling with. And then you can also get a big. And then there is another one called a skinny, which is this length, but it's about half the width of this one. Now there are quite a few different layouts. I'm going to show you a couple that I have. So this is my favorite layout. This is the vertical layout, and it has 3 boxes going down, and it goes Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then it has like a note section on the left. This one says this week's list. It has some lines and then dotted section. This one is an hourly one, and it is also vertical. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And it goes from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. and has a note section on the side. You can also get a horizontal layout. So this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then this is your notes section in here. You can also get daily sheets. So this daily sheet here says today. It's in gray and has a little flower. It comes in different designs. So daily sheet, you can put everything you're doing for the day. So if you have lots like meal planning, exercise, to-do lists, grocery lists, appointments, work, you can all do it on 1 page per day. And then the other side is just basically a notes side. There is also a dashboard layout, which I don't have, but the left page is similar to this page where you can do your weekly view for the week. You put in your dates, your to-do list, and then on the right-hand side, it has squares. So it'll be a to-do list. Then it goes Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, which is smaller per day, but you can do a big weekly layout here of everything that needs to be done, and then smaller daily versions. They also have a wellness planner, which is already set up for meal planning, exercise, and that kind of stuff. There's also a student planner and a teacher planner, and you should be able to find something that will suit you. So styles, there are tons of different styles. As you can see here, this first one is my cat one because I love cats. And so you can see each monthly divider is decorated in the same colors and styles as the book. I love this page. I work hard so my cat can have a better life. That's so cute. Something a little more bold. Magic is in you, babe. This one reminds me of like the sky, night sky in the universe. Much bolder colors. There's also some fun things like this one. Welcome to the book club. If you're a book reader. You are never alone when lost in the magic of a book. 1 book a day keeps reality away. So lots of fun colors in this one. And then there are some that are a little more matte. Let Go and Grow. Now this one is in kind of a light peach, light beige, rose gold colors. See, this is black with rose gold foiling. No rain, no flowers. Love. So much more subdued, and I find this to be a little more classic. Then this is my mini one. This one's just all colors. Blues and pinks and greens and all different colors. This big one, I just got this one on clearance when I was down in the States. This is my favorite one. The dividers are just gorgeous plants and flowers. I just love this one. So you should be able to find something that you like. There's just tons and tons of styles. So let's take a look at the inside of the planner. So you have your cover, which also has a design on the inside. A meow, that's cat for hello. The Happy Planner belongs to, and you can put in your name in there. It shows a full view of this year and next year's dates. Then it has a monthly dates, which I think would be great to put in birthdays, so you can remember whose birthdays are when. Then you get to the actual month. This is your divider, which in this case is January. And then this is your monthly page here. So this says priorities, goals, and important dates. So that's 3 sections here. It does tell you holidays for the month, and then an open section here for you to put whatever you want. Then you have a monthly layout for January, has a notes section and then all the dates, and it does have the holidays printed on there. Then you get into your weekly. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, your notes. And every book is set up, every planner is set up the same way. Some just look different. So where this page here is very simple, this one here is much more colorful. So it shows a to-do list or a checklist, the dates, birthdays, and notes, but the monthly is the same. I'll just show you this one here. Same thing. This is the monthly overview page, your divider, and then the monthly again. So this is the planner I'm using right now. It is the Happy Planner Classic Vertical Spread. It is the planner that I do all my decorating and write in. So I will be doing a video showing some of my previous pages. I'm also going to do a video telling you why I like using the Happy Planner. And then I'm going to do a bunch of Plan With Me videos showing how I go from these plain pages to these decorative pages. So I'm going to try and do a video for every week and a tips and tricks video as I find some new things. Probably do some sticker book videos. showing you my favorite, and probably even do a video showing like my favorite tools and what I like to use. So if you're interested, then subscribe. It's Lisa P. Crafts on YouTube and on Instagram. Instagram, I take photos of each week and post them on there. And I'll probably do some short little videos for Instagram too. So again, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks, guys.